This is Project Nocturne, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Nocturne is finished in full gloss Santorini black metallic with black accents all round. Nocturne sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage, 4 LED round spot lamps up front, a classic front bumper, and a wide body kit for a more aggressive stance. Inside, Nocturne features a Nardi steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau front seats, a 60-40 split Puma mid-row, and 2 benches in the rear. Each seat is finished in Berkshire black leather with a diamond stitch finish in white. Nocturne is powered by our LS3 Plus 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements, such as Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.